I got several inquiries after I did the uh, video on why direct mail is a really bad idea for most beginning investors. And many people ask me what other alternatives would I use if I didn't use direct mail. And so I tell everybody the number one way to really begin to understand how to find properties is to join the local PTA of a school that's in an area where you would like to buy homes. And the target market is the middle school PTA. I know that it sounds maybe backwards to join a PTA when you don't have kids in that school, but the reality is you're there to network with the people who do have children in the school. More importantly, you get a wonderful, unbelievable sense of the dynamics that are going on in the community by going to the PTA meetings and listening to what the concerns of the parents are. The more parents who show up at a PTA meeting, the stronger the community, the stronger the neighborhoods. It usually costs somewhere between $35 and $75 to join a PTA. And it is absolutely the best money a new investor could ever spend on learning how to network, talk to strangers, and get information about what is going to be coming up in the marketplace. Because the middle school years are when people are making a decision to move so their kids can be in a different high school. Unfortunately, it's also a time period in many people's lives when they're winding up deciding that the couple no longer wants to live together and they're going to need to sell the house and move on. Regardless of the situation, the number one reason to join the PTA is that it helps the community, it makes that community stronger, and you will be a better investor by attending those meetings. Thank you very much.